In this video, we're going to work on question 7 from chapter 3 problem set. And all these are information that we were given, and I already kind of summarized so that you can just like simply see it easily. So we were asked to find catch coverage ratio. Okay, the equation to find this, the formula, you know that catch coverage ratio comes from earning before interest and tax plus depreciation. Since because depreciation is not is a non-cash item, so we kind of like adjust this with the earning before interest and tax to get the real cash earning that is gonna be used to pay interest, and the denominator is basically interest payment. So from this equation, and you look up here, so what we have is just basically we have interest and we have depreciation, but we don't have EBIT or earning before interest and tax yet, but I'm going to put everything anyway, just from the best we can first from all information that we have. So I put depreciation and I put interest 3987. So how can we find EBIT? Okay, so let's work on here. So look like we have to kind of start to forming the income statement from the information that we have here in order to find the earning before interest and tax. Okay, so the formal pattern for income statement come from sales minus cost minus depreciation, and what we get for here is just basically subtotal. So sales minus cost minus depreciation, we will get the first subtotal called EBIT. And after BIT, we pay interest. We use this money to pay interest. And because interest is the payment, is the expense, so it subtract out, left us to what is called EBT, earning before tax. So that means the next step before the bottom line, which is net income, will be subtract with the tax. And what we have at the end is called net income. So that's the formula for, not the formula, just the normal formal pattern for income statement. So in order to get the earning before interest and tax here, that's what we want. Seems like we have to work from the bottom up. Okay, the strategy here is just we work from the bottom up. So we have net income, which we're given is 8. Sorry. Right. Okay, so net income is 8, 9, 1, 2. Okay, and we don't know tax, but we were given that tax is 34%. We also don't know this. We don't know this. We don't know this. So the strategy here to make everything simple, you just simply put the thing that you don't know as like variable. In here, I just use X. So you know that if EBT, earning before tax, is X, then that means tax will be 34% of X. So that just gives us 0.34X. All right. Then we move up to interest, which we were given. So it's 3987. And then we also don't know the EBIT, but that's what we really need. Again, I just put it as Y. And then from this equation, we can start working by forming two equations. Okay, so this equation number 1, this equation number 2. Alright, so equation number 1, I can just simply say that net income just is the result from EBT minus tax. So x minus 0.34x equal to 8912, right? So this will give us 2 equal to 0.66x equal to 8912. And once you solve for x, you will get it equal to, let's see, 13503. And moving up to equation number 2, okay? So equation 2, we will get EBIT minus interest equal to EBT, right? So we have y minus 3987 equal to x. And because we already solved for x and we already have x equal to 13503, then we can solve for y. So y will be equal to 17490. So once you get y, so y is just basically EBIT. That's what we need. So you can just simply put this into equation that we now need to find. So simply put EBIT in the equation and you can now find the cash coverage, which given you to 5.609.